Okay, today we're gonna do a walkthrough with this view at Long Beach Resorts. I can't wait to show it to you. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's check out this beautiful one bedroom right here in the Gulf of Mexico. Welcome in to Long Beach Resort. When you first walk in, notice you do have the beach view straight away. Here's the kitchen. Love the blue. You've got quartz countertops. You've got stainless appliances. They've got the backsplash. Is the quartz also nice and durable. So this side, the cabinets are gray. This side, they are blue. Super love this. Here's the dishwasher. How great is that? It's got two bays. Okay. Love the updated lighting. Here is the washroom, washer and dryer, water heater, HVAC. Water heater was installed in 2014. They put the trash in here, which is a great idea. You've got a beautiful open basin composite sink. It's definitely been modernized. Let's go check out the open living space. So you have a full-size couch and love seat. The couch is a sofa bed. The beautiful shiplap wall brings it all together wonderfully. You do have the dining table over here. Seating at the bar. A main bedroom, again overlooking the beautiful water. A dreary day on the water is better than a beautiful day at home. Furnishings are perfectly coastal, but modern. And in the bedroom, we get leads to the bathroom. So here's just kind of getting ready space, plenty of room. That matching shiplap wall and those blue cabinets. And here's the water closet. It's a nice large tub, plenty of space. Now let's go look at the balcony. So again, this is exactly what you want. And even though it's not bright sunny blue skies, whew, beach vacation is a beach vacation, right? So here's the balcony. It spans from the living space and the bedroom. And it is just perfect. All right, so for more information, look at the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to find out all of the other details. And don't forget, you can give me a call. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.